As a franchisor, nobody expects me to say you don't need a franchise. But it's true. No honest business person should think that everyone needs them. But is that the end of the conversation? The proper question might be, do you need something, or do you suspect there's something out there that might add strength to your company? Franchise is just a word that describes a particular type of business contract. The word franchise alone gives no meaning, good, bad, or otherwise, to all franchises in all industries. Just like the word car doesn't define the quality of all cars. You don't need a franchise. But here's a few questions you can ask yourself for free in the privacy of your own home or office. And these questions can apply whether you are in business already or just thinking about self-employment. Number one, do you want your journey to have form and purpose with experts on your team and a plan to guide things? Number two, could you benefit from more focus and direct help in your marketing? Number three, do you have a pretty good plan in mind, but suspect a reliable expert might help get your plans off dead center? Number four, do you believe a real business plan could increase your effectiveness and help clarify your priorities? Number five, are you confident that your company's identity, culture, and image set you apart from your competition? And number six, do you spend enough time at the executive elevation, taking inventory of your company's growth and planning strategic next steps? What if the key to get things moving before you get older were available in a franchise? I know, a lot of franchise brands don't have great reputations, but as a franchise, we simply ask that the incredible business model called franchising that generates billions of dollars for the country's GDP be judged one brand at a time. Service team of professionals is made up of energetic franchisees focused on constant improvement. Does this sound like your kind of team? No egos here. We simply help each other grow and perfect each other's efforts. Stop has a long-running reputation for building large restoration companies. If you can see yourself on a team with supportive people that have done this before, you might decide the word franchise plus the word stop might be the plan for you. With absolutely no pressure, we invite a conversation. Thanks for watching.